way deep on the 8th level of hell, Ronald Wilson Reagan, thanks to his ambivalence to the poor, has a sewer-smelly stroller suit and pompadour. In addition to scrounging up refundable cans, Reagan leers at other damned leaders. He notices Melanian apparitions torture everyone from George Washington to Andrew Johnson and a plethora of other evil persons. An A-bomb's blast hashes up Harry S. Truman. Spectral Vietnam veterans attack Richard Nixon, and such eternal penalties are given within Abaddon. Humiliation-laden, Reagan remembers AIDS victims and ponders why his administration didn't do enough for them. Reagan, still humiliation-laden, questions whether his madness funded a private war disaster, kind of in a gangster character's manner. He wonders if the Iran-Contra scandal was criminal. Demons spoke and assured Reagan will never be alone or bored. It's fated other vile presidents shall enter that domicile. Certain demons were of this opinion. Around the time Trump got the title POTUS, his pompousness deserves something amazingly torturous. Thank you.